we're going to discuss how we can create an email list by creating a lead generation ad. First, you're going to go to Facebook Ads Manager. Then you're going to click on Create in the left-hand corner. Then we're going to go to Lead Generation. We're going to set a campaign name, daily budget, and then click on Set Up Ad Account. Make sure everything is correct, country, currency, and time zone, then press Continue. Then you're going to create an ad set name. Select the page where you want to collect the leads. Scroll down. Then you're either going to use a saved audience or you're going to create a new audience. So to create a new audience, first we have to determine the location where we're targeting. If you are not sure on which location you should target, go to Facebook Audience Insights and Google Trends. First, the needle was to the right, but now the needle is at the middle, meaning that our audience is defined. The potential reach is 40 million people. We want to narrow that down so we're not wasting money trying to target 40 million people. We only want to target people who are interested in the product. Scroll down. You have to decide which email or information you want from who. Who do you want the information from? You want the information from people who is going to buy your content. Let's say you are an R&B singer. We're going to put the genre. We're going to narrow it down further and choose Usher. And then we're going to narrow it down again and choose Ne-Yo. You are telling Facebook to collect emails from people who lives in Atlanta, Georgia, Florida, New Jersey, and New York between the ages of 18 and 25, both male and female, and they must like R&B. They also must like Usher and also must like Ne-Yo. And the potential reach is from 40 million people to 15,000 people. So now instead of spending money on trying to reach millions of people, you are asking Facebook to target only those who are going to be interested in your product. Once you are finished, you're going to save this audience if you choose to. Then you're going to scroll down. Then after you finish selecting the placements, press Continue. You're going to create an ad name. Then you have the call to action. You have different options here. It is defaulted to sign up. You're going to create a new form.